Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome back to Mac Snacks. As you can see, I'm outside this time. As the winter months wane, I find myself once again attracted to the great outdoors. Now I love camping as much as the next guy, but one thing I don't love is camping food. Am I right? Sometimes when I'm eating my field snacks, I feel like I'm turning into a tree. A tree. uh, but anyway, I'm here to tell you guys that outdoor cooking doesn't have to taste like outdoor cooking. And the secret is this guy right here. You guys are in for a real treat today as I turn the humble beef jerky into Mac's Flambeed outdoor kebabs. Hi, I'm Mac, and this is Mac Snacks, a show featuring traditional meals fit for a modern life. To begin, we're going to need to do a little bit of prep work. Now I put a whole pepper and onion and my beef jerky in some bags. See, to really kick up the flavor of this dish, we're going to flambe the kebabs. Now I know what you're saying. Mac, but trust me when I say, you won't regret this when you're chowing down on some delicious kebabs in the bush, mate. Just joking. But let's get back to cooking. See, to flambe is to cook in alcohol. Since we're going to be doing this over an open flame, we're going to lose a lot of flavor. To compensate for this, we're going to soak our entire meat and veg in alcohol. To do this, simply take your bag and some vodka or any spirit and pour it in. Simply do the same with your beef jerky. That's it, you're done. The important thing to remember is not to mix your meat and your veg, or else your peppers are gonna end up real mean, mate. Now that our kebabs have been soaking for a little while, we need to skewer them on something. Luckily for us, I have a lot of options. It's just that simple. It's time to start a fire. Simply grab your branch and begin cooking. cooking's done. Now, let's try it. That is delicious. You can really taste the Flambeed flavor when you soak it before your trip. Let's try some of the veg. That is delicious. I feel like I could go hike a mountain right now. Well, guys, that's it. Mac's Flambeed Outdoor Kebabs. I'm Mac, and this is Mac Snacks. Thanks for watching.